What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Christ and Crafts, and today we're going to be doing a Pipecleaner Lion tutorial. Today you're going to need white and tan, which you can find in the green, darker green, red packages. Today you're going to use the X method that we always do for the skeleton. And then you're going to tie another piece on the back of it once you're done, so that you can start making those hind leg shapes. You're going to use that first pipe cleaner for that, and then once you have that shape in there, you'll take the last piece and then you'll wrap it in to fill in those hind legs. And then you'll repeat this process onto the other leg. Then you're going to take some padding and add a little bit more into the back legs to buff them up. Next, we're going to make the paws, which is just a loop with a tie of the pipe cleaners over them. And then you're going to use that piece that's over the circle to tie in over the actual paw to make it have that more lion padding look. And then repeat this process onto the next leg. And it should look something like this. Next, you're gonna add another pipe cleaner to the front leg so that we can start on that front leg shape. You're gonna wanna push it in outwards a little bit so that it has that shoulder kind of dent for the back, for the front of the leg. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side of the leg, and you're gonna use those pipe cleaners in the front to bulk up the front legs. After this, we're going to do the same process that we did on the back legs for the paws, and then you're going to make those a little bit bigger circles so that they have a bigger front paw look. And you use the access once you've tied it to the body to just tie it and buff in the legs a little bit so that the front legs have like a strong muscular look. And then we're going to add a couple pipe cleaners to the front legs just to give them that muscular look as well. Next, you're going to take a pipe cleaner, bend it at half, and then roll it together to give it that textured look for the tail, and then just tie it into the body. Make sure to go over the body and not under the legs so it has that spine look, and then add a little bit of the tan pipe cleaners to the front, to like the tip of the tail to add that cool look. Next, we're going to start on the head, so you're going to make a little rectangle shape and then fill that in. And then this is going to serve as the base for the head. And then you can make two little loops for the muzzle. And then we're going to take a little bit of pink here for the nose as well. And you're just going to add that to the tip there. And then you're going to tie it in with the white so that it covers over the pink. And once you've completed that, you can just break off the piece of pink in the back. And then you're going to take this here. This is where you're going to break it. And then you're just going to tie the white over so that it has that muzzle look. Next, you're going to create the bottom jaw, which is the same rectangle, and then just a few little scruffles at the bottom for the chin. And then you're going to take that piece and you're going to just tie in the white so that it has that jaw. Next, you're going to take two little loops. And you're going to want to have a little bit in the center as well for spacing. And this is going to be for the ears. And you're just going to tie that to the back of the head and then fill that in. Now we're going to work on making the neck. You're just going to insert a pipe cleaner from the bottom, from the back, so that you can have that neck look. And then you can attach this here to the body. You're going to want to start by crossing under between the front legs and then tie it over. Make sure to leave enough neck space so that you have enough space for your mane. Now you're just going to take a bunch of pipe cleaners, take it to the bottom like this, and then you're going to wrap it together to fill in that body and give them more of that filled in look. Now the main process is a whole thing, so I made this a little bit shorter for you guys. You're just going to take the tan and you're going to make a bunch of like spikes out of it, and you're going to attach it to the front. For this one, you're going to specifically want to make sure that the front of the forehead has like enough spikes where it's going up in the air. And then you're just going to keep repeating this process and adding spikes and tying it into the neck. Especially you want to make sure that you're getting under the chest because they have a lot of fur under there, and you're going to want to just fill this in until it's completely full. For the eyes, you can make a cartoon look like we do in the other videos, and you can look at those for the tutorial, or you can just make the little red dots for the eyes. And it should come out looking something like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. We have more content on the way. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also check out our TikTok, which we're growing now and should be in the bio. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace out. Go in God's grace.